Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa in a cooker. Quinoa is a fantastic, protein-rich grain that's simple to prepare. We'll cover everything from the perfect water ratio to the final fluffing. You'll learn how to achieve perfectly cooked, fluffy quinoa every time, ready to enjoy in about 20 minutes. Let's get started on this easy and healthy cooking journey. First, measure out 1 cup of dry quinoa. It's crucial to rinse it well under cold, running water. Place the quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse for about 30 seconds until the water runs clear. This step removes saponin, a natural coating that can make quinoa taste bitter. Don't skip this, it makes a big difference in flavor. Now, transfer your rinsed quinoa to your cooker. Add 2 cups of water or broth for every 1 cup of quinoa. A little pinch of salt will enhance the flavor. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover tightly, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Resist the urge to lift the lid. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat but keep the lid on. Let the quinoa rest, still covered, for another 5 minutes. This allows the steam to finish cooking the grains and makes them extra fluffy. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the quinoa with a fork. Your perfectly cooked, delicious quinoa is now ready to serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.